大家好，我係 Mr. Manso， 今日會為大家講呢就係 HKDSE Quadratic Function Graph 嘅 Part 5。睇下題目啦。If A is negative, H is positive, and K is negative, which of the following may represent the graph of y equal ax minus h square minus k？ 首先呢個 function 係相當之奸詐嘅，佢並唔係 vertex form 嚟嘅。OK， 咁我哋點做呢？我哋喺裏邊呢 ax 減 h 嗰度咧抽咗個 a 先。OK， 咁你話阿 Sir 咁啱唔啱嘅？你自己做翻次展開，你就會出得翻 ax 減 h 噶啦。OK， 咁由於成個括號中括號二次啦，咁即係話 a 嘅二次同埋小括號嘅二次啦。OK， 咁我哋呢就而家呢一刻呢就寫翻成呢一個嘅 vertex form 噶啦。咁留意啦。由於 a 二次咧，即係嗰個x square term 嘅 coefficient 咧係二次咗嘅，無論正負都係大過零，所以咧 C、D 兩幅圖係唔啱噶啦。先寫得啦 ，because a square is greater than zero, therefore open upwards。好啦，其次啦，我哋就要睇個 vertex 啦。vertex 咧就會係 h over a minus k 嚟嘅。你知道啦 ，h 係正嘅 ，a 係負嘅，咁啊塞翻晒落去咯。咁啊上正下負，成個份數當然係負啦。OK， 咁個 k 係負嘅，咁啊負咪得正咯，所以個粒嘅 vertex 咧就會係負正嚟嘅，即係喺negative x axis 同埋呢個 positive y axis 嗰度嘅。答案係 B。A 咧你睇到個 vertex 咧係正嚟嘅，所以咪錯咯，係咪啊？OK，咁好多謝大家啦，拜拜。